So it's another vlog. I figured I'd start the vlog here because I actually have a few things to do today, and I've been being so bad. Like the past couple days, I've just been doing stuff and not vlogging, so I'm trying to get back on track. So let's go. So I'm actually about to run into the hair store because I've been seeing like lots of the like headband wigs and stuff, and I was like, you know what, that is cute, like, and just throw it on or whatever, but I'm not that big on having like a thick headband on. Usually when I wear headbands, they're like, you know, the little thin stretchy ones, not really quite so thick and chunky. So I was like, okay, I don't know if they sell any of those like that at the store, but I was just like, okay, maybe I can see if they have any of the hat wigs at the store, because I was like, that is also another cute and quick option for, you know, if you're just in a rush and you feel like, hey, let me just throw on a wig because I don't feel like doing my hair or something like that. So I want to see if they have any hat wigs. And you guys, oh my goodness, I was looking for one the other day, and I was thinking, okay, I usually see them on the little mannequins in the store, so I just assumed like it was gonna be easy to just go in there and grab one. But this will be the third hair store that I've come to see if they have one, because you know what, they have it on display but they're usually out. So I was like, dang, you know, more people up in here buying these hat wigs than I thought. But the one I saw, I know somewhere else that had some, but theirs, the mannequin had the longer one, and I just wanted kind of like a little shoulder length situation going on, which, I mean, of course, if I can't find one, I might get the long one if they have one, but I don't know, because they were like cute and looked like it was super easy to just throw it on and go. So I made it back in the car, and just like I thought, they didn't have any either. The guy in the store said that they used to have some, and the supplier stopped making those, so they didn't find anybody to get any more from. So I don't know, he doesn't have any. So I'm gonna go on to Ross now because they were close by, and I've been looking for a desk because I want to redo some stuff in my office. So we shall see what they have and what I can get. You know, they don't have much stuff because I guess they couldn't get stuff from their suppliers or whatever. So yes, and that's what I'm saying, it looks very empty in this section, but it's just usually like they have clothes and stuff. But I was saying, as far as like desk and chairs and stuff like that, they usually have a lot of, like, let me show you this area where paintings and stuff usually are. It's not that many of them either. See, it's like they have some, but so many empty spots on the shelves. So, and I've been looking for a mirror also, and can barely find these too. So just I'm browsing around and see what I can find. It's kind of cute, a little different. Not quite what I'm looking for though. But look, you guys, look how empty the section with, you know, house stuff and all that stuff. It's like nothing but empty shelves. I hope they're gonna get some stuff soon, you know. Not much for me to choose from, so I guess I won't be here long. Oh wait, hold on now. That chair is cute. Let me go see that. Guys, look how cute this chair is. These two chairs are so cute. And I'm kind of gonna go with like a black, white, and gold. So these might be perfect, y'all. I think I really might need these chairs. That is so cute. I'll have to think on it. We'll see. I really like this chair, but the only thing I'm thinking is I would kind of prefer it be black on the top. So Ross didn't have much, so I'm gonna stop in Marshall, see if they got anything cute right quick as far as little decorations. So let's go. So I'm in Marshall's now, and it looks like they have a few more items, but still not quite as many as they usually have. I hope y'all can even hear me, because talking with a mask on is like a chore. So Halloween stuff. It's Halloween cancel. I might let me know because I have my pay. Cute pet stuff for Halloween. And look how cute that is. That pet stuff would look so cute on my mom's dog. You guys, if you don't keep a water cup with you all day, like, I don't know what you got going on. You have to get your intake up, especially with what's going on now. You want to stay as healthy as possible. You want to drink as much water as you can. And yeah, I can't take all the credit for this though, because this is my husband doing, okay? He's always on the health kick first, and then, you know, I be trying to follow and act like I'm doing it as much as him, but I'm not on his level yet, but I'm gonna get there. Alright, so I have my etouffee going, my fish is going, I have some tilapia, I made some rice, it's cooking, and then I'll show y'all what I seasoned it with. So put a little onion powder, garlic powder, oh look at me get it together, a little bit of Mrs. Dash Zatarain's Creole seasoning, that's the one I use today. So I try not to put too much of that on there. And yeah, etouffee going. I turned that down, you guys. So I turned them over, and you can see this is what my food looking like. Don't worry about these pieces, okay? They Cajun. I like it like that. And I like the etouffee on top of the fish, but I wanted some with the rice too, because I'm super hungry and being greedy. And I got a little broccoli. And I don't even really like onions unless they're cooked like this, like cooked all the way down, how I did in the oven and caramelized. So good. Hey y'all, what's up? It's a new day. You see, I'm up early, okay? That sun is out, and I'm in the Starbucks line because I want to grab a coffee real quick. I have to drop something off at my mom's house, so I'm gonna grab her one while I'm here. And yeah, hopefully they start moving, because I've been in line for a few minutes now, and I'm trying not to take all day. You know, it's supposed to be a quick little situation, but you know, what can you do? Everybody needs the bean, right? You guys, look at my head. Oh my goodness. So I'm filming a video in the middle of doing my hair, and you guys will see that video before this one comes out, but well, probably, I'm not sure. I'll have to see how I'm gonna put that out. But I got my little bonnet situation that you just hook up to the hair dryer. Yeah, so I'm gonna just watch TV and let this hair dry. I'm so tired. It's like almost 11 o'clock. No, I'm pretty sure it's after 11 o'clock at this point. But, you know, I felt like filming at first, so now I gotta follow all the way through. Alright guys, so it's a new day. Look how my hair turned out, okay? Was super hungry and craving a veggie pizza, so I just went to Lit Pizza and got pizza. My side is the veggie side over here. Cheese looks like it needs to be like a little more cooked, but I don't have that much on my side because I'm not big on cheese. But it looks good. Yeah, so the pizza look good, but I'm gonna add some of these crushed red peppers to it. Make it taste good, you know? Oh, I am sitting on the bed chilling. I feel like I haven't just been vlogging everything I've been doing today because I was doing so much stuff. Look, I finally threw my hair up. Still got my little rose gold color situation going on. I know I look crazy, oh my gosh, but whatever. That little thin pizza, the half that I had is gone. I'm so hungry, so I just fixed me some little pasta with shrimp and broccoli and like watching TV. I'm trying to decide if I want to watch The Game on Netflix or if I want to watch Girlfriends on Netflix, because both of those are my shows and I'm so excited that they're on Netflix. Or do I want to try and discover something new? Here I go, want to have a drink. Mike's hard black cherry lemonade, okay? I like Mike's. I'm not like a strong liquor type of drinker. I like little fruity drinks, so. But anyway, after I watch a little TV, it'll be back to watching some YouTube videos, because I find myself lately like watching more YouTube than my regular TV. I'll watch TV for a little while, and then before I know it, I'm like, what's on YouTube? So anyway, I'll catch up with you guys after I eat this food. Hey y'all, it's another day. We're in the car. My kid was just laughing at me because I was talking to the camera and nothing was going on. I was not recording at all. He's saying hi. That's him back there. So look, I need to fix my hair. I was trying to go quick. We're at the gas station because we got an alert that Hurricane Sally is apparently on its way. And we'll be here by either tomorrow or Tuesday. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the store and get a few more things. I knew that like some storms were out there, but I was busy and I was doing stuff, so I wasn't paying that much attention. Yeah, we're just going to grab a few things and we're just gonna go shop and see what supplies we can get. Look at the clouds and stuff back there. It's such a pretty day, but you know, it's always like that before a storm is supposed to come. So we made it to Walmart and we're trying to grab a few items to prepare. Just had that cinnamon raisin bagel. So now I'm gonna try some at home. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, give you guys a quick update. So now look at me, done lost the earring. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Thankfully the storm has shifted some, so right now it's looking like I'm out of the woods for the hurricane. So you know, tomorrow I'll be back to business as normal. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.